Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been experiencing your phone battery draining so fast, more than it used to, I'm going to show you a simple settings that you can do to prevent that from happening. So these are just simple settings that I'm going to show you here. Some default settings that came with your phone that is contributing in draining your battery very fast. So the first thing we are going to be looking at here is scan for nearby device. See, scanning for nearby devices. So to locate that setting, you have to go to your setting, click the setting icon. Okay, now after clicking on setting, you need to scroll down to Google. Look for Google in your phone. Just gonna scroll down. Now you have to click Google. See, after clicking Google, you clicked all services. So after that, you clicked on devices. Now as you can see, you see that scan for nearby devices. Now this scanning for nearby devices is turned on automatically. Now whether you are using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or you are not, this your phone will constantly be scanning for the nearby devices. Maybe it's looking for Bluetooth device or Wi-Fi devices. Now you don't really need this, because maybe if you want to scan for any devices, you can just easily turn on your Bluetooth and you see that it will automatically scan for whichever Bluetooth or Wi-Fi device you are looking for. So we don't really need this setting. So what you have to do is turn it off. You see, now as you've turned it off, now your phone will no longer be scanning for nearby devices unless you really want to scan for any devices on your own. You can just easily turn on your Bluetooth or turn on your Wi-Fi to scan for any devices. So that's it for this particular setting. Now the second thing we are going to do is we are going to look for default printer service. You see, our phone is also set on looking for searching for printers, like most of us that don't usually use our phone to print. So it's best for me to just turn this off at once. So in order to locate that, you have to go to, so we are going to find that in our setting over here. So you just go to more connections, just click on more connection on your phone. Now after clicking on more connection, you see printing. Click on printing. After clicking on printing, you click default print service. You see your phone is just searching for printer when you are not even using it. Now this alone is contributing to draining your phone battery life, whether you are using your phone or your phone is just idle. But you see that the battery will just keep reducing. This is because of it constantly searching for printers anywhere. So what we do, you have to just turn it off. You see, even if you later on you want to also make a print with your phone, you can also easily turn this on to make the printing, then later you turn it off. So instead of it being turned on automatically, so it's best this way. So that is it for this other one. That setting we are going to check out here is our Wi-Fi. You see, if your Wi-Fi is always set on automatic, your Wi-Fi is always on, you need to turn it off. It drains your battery. Maybe when you're not connected to any Wi-Fi but your Wi-Fi is on, you have to turn it off because it will keep draining your phone's battery. So you have to click on Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi preference. Just click on it. You see turn on Wi-Fi automatically. You see, now if this is on now, whenever you off your Wi-Fi, and your Wi-Fi will automatically turn on once it sees any nearby connection. It will just automatically turn on and connect to that connection. Now when you are done with that connection, your Wi-Fi will still remain on. So you have to turn this off, okay, so that whenever you want to connect on Wi-Fi, after turning it off, you also turn this one off. Okay, Now this doesn't change anything, it doesn't affect your phone Wi-Fi connection or anything. Whenever you want to connect to any Wi-Fi or any hotspot around you, you can just easily turn it back on through here or through the normal way to turn it from the upside. So whenever you are done connecting or browsing, you can just easily turn it off instead of leaving it on automatically. Now it drains your phone battery too much. So that's it for the settings. So the last thing that you are supposed to do is when charging your phone. When you are charging your phone, you don't need to let it charge up to 100%. Now that alone can easily kill your phone battery. You understand? It will make your phone battery, the lifespan will drain faster than it's supposed to. Maybe if your phone battery was supposed to last for 5 years, now it will reduce the lifespan. It might last 3 years or 4 years, because when your phone is plugged and it's is charged to the fullest to 100% and you didn't remove it on time, it will cause overload, overcharge, and it weakens your phone battery and it makes it to start dying fast than it's supposed to. So the best place you can be able to charge your phone, the best percentage to charge your phone is at 95%. Okay, so people usually put their own on 90%, some usually put on 85%, but I will recommend you putting yours in 90%. At least it has a little power up more than theirs. So 95% is almost at 100 also. So that is it. Okay, if this video was really helpful, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, see you on my next video.